lyrical canvas just to paint you a picture of my element. Wanna see me fall, but I'm far too intelligent. But you can define me the best way you can. Understand where I stand when man can't intercept my plan. Fast lane is what I rep to the motherfucker death of priest. I hear them talking, but they never get the best of me. I'd rather show you, fuck talking about what I'm gonna do. I'm looking ahead, you just watching what's in front of you. I'm on the one-stop drive, point A success, and you just coasting, hoping for the fucking best. If it's the best you want, the nigga ask for me. See, priest, I'm running shit like a fucking athlete. It's no sequel, there is none after me. We're not equal, cause you not even half of me. Main goal to land the deal before it passes me. Orlando, like where the fucking magics be. Smother any track, call it suffocation. If the best was a place, then call it my motherfucking destination. Pedal to the flow, no hesitation, and we in for show, nigga, no resignation. I pray to God he there. If a nigga fall, small nigga, but your heart is what make you stand tall. When you at the top, everybody trying to drag you down. It's like you driving everybody on the side trying to flag you down. But when your album dropping, it's what they ask me now. Got some sick shit dropping, just like a fucking nasty child. And I'm a hood nigga, give a fuck about a classic crowd. Got my own, calling for a studio, I don't have to now. Yeah, nigga, fast slang. Just some more bars for y'all niggas. Y'all niggas gotta get your bars up fucking with me. I'm coming hard and happy, nigga. Fast lane once again. I gotta say it like 100 times a track, y'all know that, right? Fast lane one more time, bitch.